Hello everyone, my name is Victor. I'm here with cultmyk and today I have a new tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to make this flower on Adobe Illustrator. This tutorial is super simple. Please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Let's begin. For this project, I'm going to be working with a 1920 by 1080 artboard, and I am also going to be working with these two colors. So here are the codes so you can copy them. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a background. So if I type the letter M on my keyboard and then click anywhere, I can now do a rectangle that is 1920 by 1080 pixels. So hit OK, and then I'm going to align it to my artboard, and it's going to be horizontally and aligned vertically. Now select your background and type the letter I on your keyboard, and I drop whatever color you're working with. Now I have my background, and what I'm going to do is create a new layer on top of it, and then I'm going to lock this layer so I cannot move anything on that layer. On this second layer is where I'm going to design the flower. So I'm going to move this here, and then I'm going to zoom in just a bit. So on the left hand side, I'm going to use my ellipse tool, and then anywhere on my artboard, I am going to hold down Command Shift, and then I'm going to drag out a circle. And it's already selecting this color, so that's perfect. If it wasn't selecting the color, then with this selected, again, letter I, and I drop it so that it copies the color. Now I don't need this anymore, so I'm going to get rid of it. Now I'm going to move the circle to the left just a little bit, and then on your keyboard type Command or Control Y, and you're going to enter outline mode. And this is important for the next step. Holding down Option Shift, I am going to make a copy and drag it to the right. Now you can see the center, keep moving it until it hits the side of the circle. So this is why outline mode is actually very useful. Once I have my two circles, I'm going to select both of them and then go to my Pathfinder tool, and then I am going to click on intersect right here. So it'll leave me with something like that. Now we can get out of outline mode by hitting Command or Control Y, and that's going to reveal the shape that you just created. Now select that shape and go to Align to Artboard, and then align it to the middle. So we want this shape to be a little bit off center, and you'll see why in a second. Select the shape that you created, go on the left hand side, and then click on Rotate tool. Once you do that, you will see your cursor change to this cross icon. Hold down Option and you will see three dots appear. That's what you want. So keep holding down Option and then click once on the anchor point at the very bottom of the shape. Now this is going to appear right here. What you're going to do is type 30 degrees and then hit copy. Now once that happens, don't click anywhere and hit Command or Control D, and then keep doing that until you complete a full circle, and you end up with something like this. Now go back to your selection tool and select everything. Now once everything is selected, go to your transparency tool on the right hand side, click where it says normal and select multiply. So with everything already selected, do Command G on your keyboard, and that's going to group your shape as one single shape. So select your shape and go on the very top and go to Align to Artboard, and then horizontal and vertically align to Artboard. And that's how you make this little flower. Super easy. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.